When the needle is moving upwards, it creates a loop behind the needle, between the needle eye and the fabric. The hook tip must pass through that loop in order to create a stitch. There is a fine-tuning of the hook timing, depending on the brand and model of the sewing machine, but nearly all sewing machines adhere to this basic principle. The position of the hook tip timing in relation to the sewing needle sewing machine hook timing is the most important parameter of the quality work of the sewing machine. To adjust this parameter, you need to remove some details. Feed dogs you can remove. In this way, you get a good overview. The hook tip should be sharp enough, without chipping, otherwise the thread will constantly tear at your sewing machine. It is necessary to regulate the approach of the hook tip at the moment when the sewing needle, having reached its lowest position, rises upward by 1/8 mm. The distance between the hook tip and the upper edge of the needle eye should be within 1 to 2 mm, depending on the type of fabric. The closer the shuttle tip will run along the needle, the more reliable the grip of the thread will be. But the hook tip should not touch the needle. The position of the hook tip is adjusted by turning the shuttle mechanism after loosening these screws. In some cases, it is needed to change the position of the needle bar. The needle bar has a special mount. Loosen the screw and the needle bar can be lowered or raised.